As was explained in the presentation, lexicons are the cornerstone for catalog quality and consistency. They also help speed up searching the catalog database. We have 5 lexicons and I shall be talking about 4 of them using the Panchadashi example. The subject's lexicon is a complete hierarchical division of Sanskrit literature. A number of authorities have given various proposals about the classification of Sanskrit literature into subject categories, and different catalogs, past and present, have used different systems. Our subject classification is divided into 22 top level subjects. We call them level 0 subjects. Each subject may further subdivided further. The lowest level of subdivision is level 4, while some level 0 subjects have no further divisions. Panchadashi is a darshan text and specifically an Advaita text. Keywords are a tool to help a user search for relevant texts. These words may apply across different subjects or may be useful within one subject only. Panchadashi has 15 chapters and is a big text. Its manuscripts are frequently found with 1 or 2 chapters only. Each chapter title was therefore created as a keyword and can thus be used as a search term. Our person's lexicon covers authors and commentators. The lexicon identifies persons uniquely, including people with identical names. Each entry is well researched and includes the references based on which the author was uniquely identified. All lexicons, including the person's lexicon, gives aliases and alternative spellings so that most forms of search terms entered by a user will get a valid result. Our titles lexicon, like the person's lexicon, is well researched and covers the titles of Sanskrit works. The titles lexicon establishes the link between a title and its subject, keywords, author, commentator, and parent text as applicable. Thus, the title entry for a commentary will identify its parent text. We also make a basic effort to establish whether a text has been published, and if it is, we enter a title under the Kriti field. Lexicons are a powerful aid to both cataloging and to database search. They are a one-time effort, but once done correctly, a single lexical entry can be used for a large number of manuscripts.